Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you Fangor Wi-Fi Multimedia Projector and Vankyo Projector screen from Walmart. You can find the link below in the description. The screen is huge, it's superb, it's easy to install. It comes with ropes so you can hang wherever you want. I'm gonna show you what was in the projector's box. It got the nice bag so you can put back the projector in. Then we have like a lot of cables, so however you want to connect it. Even the power cable, we have different varieties for those ones too, so you don't need to worry if you have like double pins or like these kinds of switches. HDMI cable, it has built-in Wi-Fi. You can mirror it with your phone or any device you want. HDMI cable, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, VGA cables, everything comes with it, so you don't need to worry about getting those cables. You also have a manual, so if you have any questions you can just go through it, how to set up or any kind of that question you have, you can read through the book. It was easy setup for me. And here it is, the actual projector. It's nice looking projector. It comes with a stand. We also have a remote for it, and if you lost the remote, you have the keys on the projector too. You see those two focus and keystone black rotating buttons or whatever you call it. You can focus your view with those. If you want to set outside, then you would need extension. I love it. You should try it. It's completely worth it.